Well, I was in a bad car accident, and I had injured my neck, and I had broke my nose, and I also injured my neck, and I ended up needing to have surgery on it. I had a herniated disc between C5 and C6. Dr. Lamacchia did my surgery, and it feels great. It feels good. I mean, it's a lot different than after the car accident because I had so much pain before. Well, I had a herniated disc. I had a fusion where they put in, it's almost like a cage where they put some screws and bolts in, and it gave me mobility is real good. And after the car accident, it seemed to be getting worse, and I was hospitalized for numbness in my extremities from having the herniated disc. And Dr. Lamacchia did my surgery. Well, it was probably, I don't know, daily, 7 to 8, my pain level was. And after my surgery, I didn't have any of the tingling in my hands or my legs, and it was pain-free up in my neck. I felt like, because I had to wear that neck brace, I knew I needed to wear it to rebuild my bones, but I felt like I wasn't in pain like I was before. My car accident was December 15th, 2012, and I had my surgery on June 25th, 2013. Surgery was always the last option for me, so we tried the physical therapy. I tried to see if I could just go without it, but when I started having a pain shooting up and down my extremities and stuff, I knew that was a problem, and that I could get paralyzed from having the herniated disc, so I didn't want that option. So it took a while to get me convinced to do the surgery, but I'm glad I did. Everybody, did their part in reassuring me that, this was, the best decision for my scenario. Everybody's situation is different, but for me, it was the right one. I went to this hospital on June 25th, 2013. I went home on the 26th of June. I had a follow-up appointment 2 weeks later. Everything was going real good. I ended up having to return to work the first week in September, which was a little bit short for the recovery period that the doctor recommended. But I kept my neck brace on, for the rest of the summer after my procedure, and I seemed to do good with that. You know what I mean? It seemed to recover real well. I didn't feel like it was a real problem. It wasn't too hot of a summer, and people like cringe at that, wearing the neck brace in the summer, but I felt like it was pretty good. That I've been able to get close to, to that pre-accident as much as I can. I feel like my mobility is good. I feel like, the pain, is great, because it's a great reduction in what it was before. And I feel real good about everything. After my car accident, I felt very limited on just my movement of my neck and feeling that aches and pains, that I felt like I was restricted. But I felt like after the car accident and after the recovery period, much better. I had gone to physical therapy before my surgery, and them trying to keep everything open and limber, so if I did have the surgery, it would help with recovery. And then I went for physical therapy after the procedure, and was September through the end of 2013, 3 times a week. I felt it was kind of, intense and stuff on getting it mobile and everything else, and I feel like it taught me good things to do too, even things to do at home. A lot of them is just stretching the neck out and make it more mobile. A type of exercise was just bend your head and pretend you're looking like underneath a counter. And that would always stretch out everything on both sides, and kind of twisting and turning and just keeping it all mobile. Very nice, very helpful, very understanding, because I didn't want to come in there them thinking like I'm weak or wimpy. I just wanted to get it, all, my muscles stretched out good. Oh yes, I would for sure. My husband used him for his procedure.